Welcome back to our channel. Do you know that the Albanese government is actively preventing a potential student visa crash? Historically, rapid growth in student visa holders has resulted in crashes, impacting students and education providers. The Australian government has had to allocate resources to address the aftermath. Stay tuned for more information on this issue. And if you find this content helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.
Factors for these crashes include a surge in student visas due to a strong labor market and lax regulations, visa fraud, low-quality courses emphasizing work over education, and misinformation from education agents on living costs and residency paths. Over the past 18 months, there has been an unprecedented increase in the number of students in Australia following the reopening of international borders. Although the current figure of 610,065 students at the end of May 2023 is slightly lower than the peak of 633,816 in September 2019, it is anticipated that the peak will be surpassed in the coming months. The significant number of temporary graduate visa holders, subclass 485, and COVID visa holders, subclass 408, in Australia, including over 100,000 former students, face limited pathways to permanent residency or extensions, leaving them in a state of immigration limbo, similar to unsuccessful asylum seekers. Despite a record number of temporary graduates securing permanent residency in the past 18 months, primarily through the skill stream of the migration program, a significant portion of these graduates remains in immigration limbo, especially if the labor market weakens. In the next 12 to 24 months, many students, temporary graduates, and COVID visa holders are expected to apply for inexpensive and short-duration Certificate 3 courses in aged care, disability care, and nursing support to take advantage of the new aged care labor agreement. The surge in students, temporary graduates, and COVID visa holders in Australia is propelled by a high influx of offshore student visa applications. Since February 2022, these applications have consistently exceeded pre-COVID levels every month. This rise, likely influenced by unlimited student work rights. Moreover, the overall refusal rate for offshore student visa applications in 2022-23 has reached 20.1%, a significant increase compared to the 10.5% rate in 2021-22. The Department of Home Affairs, DHA, as well as some universities, has reported cases of substantial fraud within the student visa application process. The combination of record and rising offshore student visa applications, high refusal rates, and significant fraud cases presents an unsustainable situation in terms of visa management. This situation requires increasing DHA resources at a time when other visa caseloads also require attention. To address these challenges, the government may reintroduce restricted work rights, making it more difficult for students already in Australia, considering the rising cost of living and high rents. Media reports have highlighted the hardships faced by current students, many of whom were misled by education and migration agents regarding the cost of living in Australia. As a result, many students may exceed their work hour limits, putting them at risk of immigration consequences. This situation could lead to distressing media reports of students being detained and deported for violating work rights. The government is considering replacing the genuine temporary entry requirement with a genuine student requirement, based on the Parkinson Review's recommendation. If properly defined and administered, this change could be advantageous. However, implementation is not anticipated until November 2023. The Albanese government may swiftly tighten risk ratings for student visa applications, but it would likely encounter resistance from education lobby groups, especially those representing higher education institutions. These institutions are already witnessing a notable increase in students enrolling in cost-effective Certificate 3 courses in aged care and disability care to take advantage of the Aged Care Labor Agreement.
We hope you appreciate our efforts to provide important and accurate immigration information. Please share your feedback and suggestions in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to show your support, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for your valuable time, and we hope to see you again soon with another video. If you need any further assistance or want to discuss anything related to your immigration dreams, then you can book an expert consultation session with our team of registered migration consultants.